Hello po mga kapwa kong API. Quick portfolio update lang po tayo as of February 1, 2026. This is my second portfolio update this month and I believe pangatlo ko na to this year. I honestly am still trying to improve my craft when it comes to YouTube. So if you've seen my videos and if you have any advice, please leave a comment below. With that said, let me give you a basic rundown ng aking portfolio, anong mga updates ko, and let's talk about some of the news that I personally have seen this week or last week. So first, let's talk about my portfolio. As you can see, sinegregate ko ang digital gold and I've added savings dito sa portfolio ko just for my own visibility. Yes, down po ang crypto market as of now. But overall, ang portfolio ko is up ng around 3 to 4%. My debts, well, it really didn't went down kasi I consolidated two of my debts recently. So far, 1,000 pa lang din ang nadadagdag ko sa aking stocks. And I mainly focused or I bought a little bit of Accent, Aboitiz, and First Gen kasi I am planning to go into the renewable energy sector as a narrative. I'm also planning to sell si Semirara, which is a coal mining company, uh, because of that specific narrative. So I've started this. Well, honestly, this is quite a bit of a long shot for me, but this is a safe bet so far. Nag-umpisa ako nito nung nakita ko na nag-change name or nagbabalak mag-change name si Meralco through SP NEC and to MGen. I believe that's their subsidiary, sorry, when it comes to renewable energy. So, I'm hoping itong renewable energy na to would be the future. Of course, nakita ko rin naman kung anong plano ng energy sector or si DOE. They plan to turn the Philippines into a renewable energy country by the year 2040. I believe nasa 90% ang target nila when it comes to renewable energy. And I'm not sure if ako lang ang nakakaalam or nakakapansin. Pero recently, I am seeing a lot of companies, a lot of institutions going into the natural energy sector. First and foremost, dyan si Razon through the Malampaya sa Palawan to if I'm not mistaken. And them buying 60% of First Gen's natural energy. So I believe na ito ang race ngayon pagdating sa Pilipinas. They're trying to get into the energy sector as soon as they can. And I'm banking on this. I mean, this is very long term. So I hope this pays out. Kasi 2040 is, let's just say, matagal pa siya. But again, this is a safe long-term bet for me. Honestly, I really wouldn't recommend it to anyone kasi most of the time I'm wrong. Pero yeah, do your own research muna before getting into any sort of investment. Always do your own research. Punta naman tayo saglit sa nakita kong uling news kani-kanina lang about Metrobank. Honestly, they're cutting off their InstaPay fee from 25 pesos into 8 pesos. This is a big change for them, pero I really don't see any reason why other people would use Metrobank kung makakagamit naman sila ng digital banks like Maya, or sorry, not Maya kasi si Maya may 15 pesos na InstaPay fee din eh. Like GoTime, like Maribank, CIMB for instance na nagbibigay ng free transfer fees para sa gumagamit sa kanila. So, yeah, that said, I will still check for any signals kasi I'm not invested to Metrobank yet. But if some people sees this as a win and Pag nakakita ko ng signals from the news, from the market itself, well, probably I'll go into the Metrobank stock. Just probably. So, go naman tayo pagdating sa usapang crypto. As of right now, duguan pa rin ang market dahil sa crash na nangyari a couple of days ago or a day ago. Pero sa hours natin, medyo nakakabawi na yung iba. So we're hopeful na tumaas siya. And well, besides, bumili rin ako ng small portion ng crypto earlier. So I'm hoping na bug bounce na tayo. If this is just a dead cat bounce, well, I'm still planning to PCA or peso cost average downhill kung nasa bear market na nga tayo. Pero again, I'm hoping that everything will go up soon. Hopefully soon. And sana hindi matuloy itong shutdown na mangyayari sa US government. Kasi last time na nag-shutdown sila, bumagsak din talaga yung market. Not just crypto, but US stocks and etc. Bumagsak din sila lahat. So I'm really hoping this doesn't push through. Yun lamang. If you guys have questions, please leave it in the comments below. And if you like this video, please do not hesitate to leave a like and subscribe kasi uh, sobrang laki ng tulong ng like and subscribe ninyo para ma-grow pa natin tong channel na to. Again, this is your average Pinoy investor. Have a good one. Ciao, ciao.